So using this Bella key, and I was able to get the shaft off counter with this using a metal vise, and then this is a regular screw. You should get this off. Again, metal vise would help to take this off. They have a washer. Washer here. See the bearing in there. With some hits to here, this has come out. Which it looks like just one of the rings. So continuing to hit. Notice the black side goes and the metal side in the groove side. So with a great deal of ponging, you pong this in, this shaft comes out. We got it out. Bearings on the outside, inside. Basically, I'm taking out one of the bearings and ponging here, and it's coming out on the other side. It's out. Using a screwdriver and the edge, I was able to pry this out. And the metal side is down. Alright, rubber side out. So this is what's inside. So it's kind of like this on top of this, like that. Alright, so even though the seals came out on this, facing the boat side, both bearings go in from one side.